And tonight we're learning more about the suspected gunman and what led to the CDC attack. We continue our live Team 2 coverage with Cobb County Bureau Chief Michelle Newell. Michelle, you have been digging into the shooter's background.
And Linda, we're here at the Cobb County 911 Center because police were called to Patrick White's home where he lived with his parents several times as recent as 2 weeks before the shooting. Last year, White was taken to the hospital and referred to a crisis line. All of that information is in police reports. Memorials continue to grow for DeKalb County police officer David Rose.
He served with honor, courage, and unwavering dedication. His sacrifice will never be forgotten.
And now the GBI is revealing what the agency says it's discovered about Patrick Joseph White, the man who they say targeted the CDC, killing Officer Rose before he later killed himself. Investigators say they did find documents about White's discontent with the COVID-19 vaccine, and there were mental health problems. According to an incident report last year, White's father told police his son Patrick was suicidal and was trying to get to the guns in the locker. It goes on to state Patrick stated he did take a gun from his father, but it was unloaded and that it was only a cry for help. The same report states that White was taken to the hospital at the suggestion of Cobb PD officers, who also told White's father to follow up with the crisis line. Earlier this year and 2 weeks prior to the shooting, police say they were at the same home for similar problems.
We're aware that there were law enforcement contacts made with him prior to it. We know within weeks prior to it. Currently this time, our investigators are getting with the law enforcement that made those contacts and finding out what the details of that were.
White's father called 911 on the day of the shooting after it happened, concerned that his son might have been involved. On that call, he asked for a specific officer who he said knew about his son's problems. The GBI says it hasn't heard the 911 calls but plans on listening to them. Reporting live from Cobb County, Michelle Newell, Channel 2 Action News.
So many questions about that. I know you will continue to follow up. Michelle, thank you.